Hi, this is David with Brinkley RV, and today we're going to show you some of the features of your Lippert OneControl on the Model Z3100. Let's take a look. Okay, so one of the great features about the Brinkley RV Model Z3100 is that we have the Lippert OneControl system in this unit. You can pair to that system with either your Android or iPhone, and that will be covered in a separate video. But what that allows you to do from your phone, you can run your lights, you can run your awning, you can run your Slideouts, and we're going to show you how to do the Slideouts from outside of the unit with your phone. Okay, so this is the main control center of the app on an Apple phone. And it shows you slide 1, slide 2, slide 3. And what you will do is put your finger on the out button and hold it. And you just want to hold your finger on the button, just like you would on the inside. And then let off when you hear the motors ratchet. Okay, so when you go to put the room in, you want to, once again, you want to check for obstructions. Make sure there's nothing on the roof. Make sure there's nothing around the room that could get caught. And you're going to do the same thing with your app. You're just going to push the button for in. And you're going to hold it like you would on the inside until the room is all the way retracted. And then let off. We can turn the awning light on and off by pushing a button like this. And the nice thing about this is that this particular awning, you can turn the light on whether the awning is either in or out. So if you need some extra lighting at your campsite, you have that. You can leave the awning in. And then to just turn it off, you just hit the switch again. And then if you want to put the awning out, scroll down to where it says awning. This happens to be awning 1. Push extend, and you hold it. And this would be just like using it on the inside at the Brinkley RV Command Center, except you're using it from your phone. And you can watch it come out. And when it gets to where it needs to, you'll see the flap drop down. And you can let off. And then to bring it back in, push and hold retract. And the awning will go in. Okay, so we just want to show you a couple other really nice features of the Lippert OneControl from the phone app. Looking at the screen here, it shows our battery voltage. You have your black, fresh, and gray tank monitors. You've got your lighting. So basically you can turn all the lights on and off from the app on the phone inside the coach, and it shows you which lights are which. And if you keep scrolling down, there's our awning again. And then you can do leveling. You can turn your tank heaters on and off and your water pump on and off. So there's a lot of nice features that the app gives you that are just right at your fingertips.